In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a 301 redirect in Godaddy. This process is essential for ensuring that visitors to your old website addresses are seamlessly guided to your new URLs, maintaining your SEO ranking and ensuring a smooth user experience. A 301 redirect is a permanent redirection from one URL to another, and it's fairly easy to set up through your Godaddy account. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Godaddy account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to set one up by following the prompts on their website. Once you're logged in, head over to the My Products section. This is where all your purchased domains and services will be listed. Next, find the domain you want to set up the 301 redirect for. Once you locate the correct domain, click on the Manage DNS button next to it. This action will navigate you to the DNS management page for that domain, where you have the power to modify all the record settings associated with your domain. At this point, you'll want to scroll down until you reach the Forwarding section. This is a crucial part of the setup, so take your time to ensure you're in the right spot. In the Forwarding section, you should see an option labeled Domain. Click on Add or Edit if a forwarding option is already listed. Now you'll be prompted to enter the new destination URL. Carefully type in the URL that you want your old address to redirect to. Double check for any typos or mistakes, as this is the address your visitors will be directed to. Just below where you entered your destination URL, you'll notice a drop-down menu for forward type. Here, you'll want to select 301 to indicate to search engines and browsers that this is a permanent redirect. After confirming your 301 selection, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Here, ensure that forwarding type is set to forward with masking, which allows you to control what your users see in the address bar or leave it as forward only if you don't require masking. Once you've checked all of your settings, click the Save button to ensure your changes are applied. It's important to remember that DNS changes like 301 redirects can take up to 24-48 hours to fully propagate. So if it doesn't work immediately, give it a little time. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up a 301 redirect in Godaddy. This method is an effective way to keep your visitors heading to the right place and preserve your hard-earned SEO ranking. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful web management tips.